The Master Key System by Charles F. Hannel is a classic self-help book that outlines a comprehensive system for personal development and success. The book is divided into 24 lessons, each of which contains specific principles and exercises. Here, I'll break down some key lessons and concepts from the book, along with explained examples. 1. The world within. Your external world is a reflection of your internal thoughts and beliefs. If you consistently think positively about your abilities and opportunities, you'll start noticing more opportunities and solutions in your external world. 2. Mental chemistry. Thoughts are like chemicals that, when combined, create different mental and emotional states. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and beliefs, you can change your emotional state from negative to positive, leading to greater happiness and resilience. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. The Law of Attraction. Like attracts like. Your predominant thoughts and feelings attract similar circumstances and experiences. If you consistently focus on thoughts of abundance and prosperity, you'll attract financial opportunities and experiences that align with those thoughts. 4. The power of affirmations. Repeated affirmations and visualizations program your subconscious mind to manifest your desires. By daily affirming your goals and visualizing your success, you can align your subconscious mind with your objectives and increase your chances of achieving them. 5. The Law of Substitution. You can replace negative thoughts with positive ones by consciously choosing to redirect your focus. If you experience fear or anxiety, substitute those thoughts with positive affirmations or thoughts of courage and confidence to shift your mindset. 6. The Law of Relaxation. Mental relaxation is essential for accessing your subconscious mind and harnessing its power. When you're relaxed, you're more open to creative ideas and solutions. Take breaks and practice relaxation techniques to improve your problem-solving abilities. 7. The Law of Practice. Consistent practice is key to mastering any skill or habit. Whether it's learning a musical instrument or acquiring a new language, regular practice is essential for improvement and mastery. 8. The Law of Forgiveness. Holding on to grudges and resentment can hinder personal growth and success. Forgiving those who have wronged you frees your mind from negative emotions, allowing you to focus on more positive aspects of your life. 9. The Law of Dual Thought. You can choose to focus on either positive or negative thoughts at any given moment. When faced with a challenging situation, you have the power to shift your perspective from negative to positive by consciously choosing uplifting thoughts. 10. The Law of Subconscious Activity. Your subconscious mind is always active, even when you're not consciously aware of it. Before sleep, suggest to your subconscious mind that you want solutions to a specific problem. Your mind may work on it during sleep, leading to creative insights upon waking. The Master Key System by Charles F. Hannel offers a systematic approach to personal development and the harnessing of the mind's potential. By understanding and applying these lessons, individuals can improve their mindset, achieve their goals, and lead more fulfilling lives. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.